Don't die laughing. Understanding humor in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, don't die laughing. It's a colorful expression that you might come across in conversations, movies, or books. Understanding such phrases can really enhance your grasp of English, especially the humorous side. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Don't die laughing is an idiomatic expression used humorously to warn someone not to laugh too hard at something funny. It's an exaggeration that implies the thing in question is so hilarious it could cause someone to laugh uncontrollably. However, it's important to note that it's used in a light-hearted and playful manner, and the speaker doesn't actually believe laughter could cause harm. Hyperbole, or the use of exaggeration for effect, is a common tool in English humor. Phrases like, don't die laughing, showcase how exaggeration can make language more colorful and engaging. This technique adds dramatic flair and emphasizes the humor in a statement, making conversations more lively and entertaining. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are some examples. After telling a particularly funny joke, you might say, okay, don't die laughing at this one. If a friend sends you a hilarious video, you could respond with, that was so funny, I almost died laughing. In a humorous warning about a comedy movie, be careful watching this film, you might just die laughing. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, always with the intention to highlight the humor of the situation. We hope you found this exploration of the phrase, don't die laughing, both informative and enjoyable. English is full of such expressive and humorous expressions, and understanding them can really enrich your communication skills. Remember, language isn't just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the joy and color expressions like these add to our conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope you keep laughing, but not too much.